Method 1. Manually remove high importance flag. Find out the email message whose important flag you want to remove, and double-click to open it in the message window. Click File tab. Click Properties. In the popping up Properties dialog box, please click the Importance box, select the normal from the drop-down list, and then click the Close button. Now you get back to the message window, click the Save button first, and then click the Close button. Then the important mark is removed from this email message. Method 2. Automatically remove high importance flags from all incoming messages. Download and install KTools for Outlook, open Outlook, and click KTools tab. Select Advanced Rules. In the Advanced Rules dialog, select the rule scope, then click New to create a new rule. In the Step 1 of the Create New Rule dialog, tick the Marked as Importance option, then select High from the drop-down list of the popping dialog, click OK. Click Next to go to the Step 2 of the Create New Rule. Tick the Marked as Importance option, then select Normal from the drop-down list of the popping dialog, click OK. Click Next to go to Step 3 of the Create New Rule. Select Exceptions. Click Next. Name the rule and make some remarks. Click OKs to close dialogues. From now on, all incoming emails that mark as high importance will be automatically marked as normal. KTools for Outlook offers 100+ powerful tools with 70+ features available for free forever. Boost your productivity and streamline your email workflow today.